Alrighty, Marcus, here's one of your 427 small block Fords. Give you a description of this combination. Got a set of our CNC heads on it. Got a custom grind hydraulic roller. Obviously it's Borla. Got the Shelby valve covers. And it's got the front sump oil pan. Got the March kit on it. Make sure the alternator charges for you. Fuel management, Holley Terminator X, great system. We'll go in there and make a run, see what she does. Stay tuned. Alrighty, 3,400, 505 foot-pounds of torque, peak torque 529, real flat in there. Peak horsepower 510, rate of 520, the front end's about 15, so everything's good. So what we'll do next is we'll pull the pipes back, make sure the exhaust is good and clean for you, and I'm going to go show you one other thing. Alrighty, when you receive your engine, you'll find this little card in there. Looks like a business card. It is a USB card full of information. It's got all your engine specs, build pictures, things of that nature, a lot of technical stuff. You can kind of see here what's included. So I highly recommend, first thing to do, plug that in, watch it. Have any questions, don't hesitate to contact us. The other thing, there'll be this tag on your engine. Have your engine number, valve lash specification, oil capacity, the balance, whether internal, external, firing order, engine timing, things of that nature. Hold on to this tag forever. If you ever need information, the easiest way for us to look you up is that engine number. So stay tuned.